Welcome to this series on F#, where we're going over concepts to help you get started building F# applications. In this video, we're going to be going over how you can organize your code using modules. As your application grows, you're going to need some way to organize it. Modules can help with that. Modules are a grouping of F# code. They can contain things like values, types, and functions. Modules help keep related code together. Before we dive in, I just want to remind you that any code that you see in this video can be found at aka.ms/f#-101-samples. Let's take a look at some code to see what modules look like. Let's say I have an application to send messages. I might want to organize it into different modules. To create a module, I use the module keyword followed by the name of my module. I'll create a module called domain to contain all the types used throughout my application. In this case, I have a few records and a discriminator union to represent the different contact methods. Then, I might have another module called messenger, which has logic to handle sending messages. Because I need access to types in the domain module, I'll use the open keyword to reference the domain module. My sendMessage function will take in a message and contact method and route the message accordingly. Finally, in my main application, I'll just send messages, using the open keyword again to access other modules. The code you just saw is just a simple example of how you might use modules inside of an application. You could imagine that as your application grows and your modules get more complex, you might eventually consider moving the modules into their own files. Now that you know how to organize your code with modules, in the next video, we're going to take a look at how you can take advantage of the asynchronous programming features of F# to make the most out of your compute resources. See you in the next video.